Hey guys, today we're taking a look at the Revolution Beauty Advent Calendar for the year. And I picked this one up from Amazon. For my friends who are watching on YouTube, I'll leave a link in the description for you if you want to pick this up, if you want to take a look, if they're still available. If not, just have a little look with me and see what's inside it. I wanted to say I'm not a beauty influencer at all. I just like presents and getting presents every day. But I thought, let's share this with you guys so you can see exactly what you're getting. We're going to go through it every single day, take a look. So that basically means there's going to be spoilers throughout the whole thing. If you do want to see what's inside it, let's go ahead. Now it does come with this little sleeve in there to keep it all intact, because when you open it up, and I'll show you in a second, it is a bit loosey-goosey. Day number 1, nice little boxes for everything. This is a 24-day calendar, so hopefully we'll have at least 24 items. Here we go. So day number 1, wrapped in the little paper. This is Revolution Pout Bomb. It has a iridescent sort of shimmer to it, and this has a vitamin E in it. And day number 2, everything shifted down, which is going to be an adventure. Day number 2, nice big one. I don't think it's a palette or anything as exciting as that. So day number 2, we've got the highlighter in Pink Seduction. That looks very pretty and very shiny. It's the sort of thing I think for me, you wouldn't need a great deal of this, but it's a very nice colour for me. I know, I do like that. It's a nice colour. Day number 3. Okay, another pretty little box. The boxes are really cute, actually. You could definitely repurpose these for something fun and crafty. So day number 3, and we have a lipstick. This is Cupcake Pink, and this one's definitely more of a creamy one than a sort of gloss one. It's very nice. So this is the sort of thing that's going to sort of suit, I think, most people. Very neutral. I like that one though. I just love opening all these little boxes. It's so much fun. Day number 4, we have another highlighter here. This is called Raise the Bar. And again, a really nice gold shimmery. I think this is going to really suit you if you've got a darker skin tone, or if you can carry that. I'm a little bit ruddy, so I don't think I can carry that one off. It's very nice. Day 5. Nice long skinny one. It doesn't feel like mascara. What could it be? And we've got a brown eyeliner. Just your everyday common eyeliner. Always handy to have. Day 6. And another long one. This could be a mascara. It's feeling weighty. Let's have a look-see. We have got a liquid blush in the shade Blush Bomb. Really nice. This is considered a budget but good value makeup advent calendar. And so far, I'm really impressed, actually. Day 7. This is very light. Okay. Body gems. So these are face and body. Not sure how I feel about those. I think these do appeal to certain people. So yeah, this is going to appeal to all ages and all different people. Not sure if I can pull those off though. Day 8. Here we go. What we got today? Oh, we've got an eye shimmer. This is a liquid eyeshadow. This is very interesting. I've never ever tried a product like this before. This could be really interesting. It's got a lovely iridescence to it, like a purple lilac-y colour. Really like that. That's ever so nice. Day 9. There's 2 things. There's a gift code in here, so you get 20% off if you order it on their website. I'm an Amazon girly, so that's where I stand. We've got another lippy. This is called Heart Race Nude, and again, it's a really nice. I like that one a lot. That's a really nice colour. Another creamy one. I must admit, I'm not as much of a glossy girl, but that's probably my age. But that's a really nice colour. I like that. I think that's so far my favourite item. Day 10, we've got a long one. We've got a really nice little makeup brush. I guess I'd probably do this for your upper eyes, upper lids. Yeah, feels nice and floofy. Can't complain. This, I have to remind myself, this is a good value, suits most people, keeping everyone happy advent calendar. It's nice. So yeah, I think it's really good value. So far, I've not got any issues with it. We've got day 11, and we've got another powder blush. This one's a little bit more pinky poo. This is called Pink Lady. This is a bit more of a pinky poo one. But yeah, that's a really nice shade as well. I'm not going to say like neutral, but they are most pleasing. And I think these guys probably know what they're doing to know what people want to buy that suits most people. These are probably their best sellers. Day 12. This is a bit of a chunky one. Is it going to be health skincare? I don't think there's any skincare in this. This is different. Translucent baking powder. This is a product I've never ever tried. Never tried a baking powder, so I might have to check out how to use it. But that's cool. That's quite a nice big size product as well. Awesome. Day 13, and we've got a matte lip gloss in the shade Divine. This one's a little bit chocolatey, but again, it's very neutral. I think it would suit most people, either as the main, maybe perhaps after you've used a lip liner. This would be quite a nice one to go in with. But yeah, that's a good size product as well. Day 14, and we've got a lip liner. This is a nice colour. This is in the colour Chauffeur. This is a nice colour. I like that. This is a colour that I tend to pick up. So I definitely will be getting some wear out of that. That's a nice, good, all round, all pleasing shade. It's very similar to the blush shades, I think. So yeah, that's really nice. Day 15. And day 15 is a vitamin E lip mask. That sounds like a nice thing to put into your beauty routine. I was hoping there'd be some sort of beauty rather than it being pure makeup. So that's a nice little squeegee. This one's 8 milliliters. Day 16. Looks like candy, but it's not. Ooh, we got one of them doodah things. Toot, 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 toot. Yeah. Beauty blend. Do means a beauty blender, by the way. Yeah, you can't really go wrong with these. Always handy to have one if you are using it to apply in blend. Feels squidgy, feels nice. Day 17. To be honest with you, I expected more filler so far, and so far we haven't really got filler. A couple of little bits, but generally this is all pretty good. Here we go. Day 17. And we have a liquid highlight in the shade Bronzed Glow. This one again looks really nice, very pretty, lovely iridescence to it, nice little size. Yeah, can't complain. Day 18, and I apologise if I got these days in the wrong order. I can't count, they're upside down. And day 18 is a glazed lip oil, and this is completely clear with a really nice little doe foot. Apply it for your lippy. Yeah, it looks really, I can already tell how glossy it is. Yeah, it's gonna be great. I find things like this are actually very good, and people underrate them because they are a good way to transform. If you've already got lots of matte, you can always just double up essentially by just applying a little gloss. I think it's a really good way to extend what you've already got. Glam it up a little. Right, we're getting towards the end. Day 19. Ooh, we've got a Revolution branded little doodah thing. I can't remember what these are called. Triangle puff. The beauty puffs, I think they're called. But yeah, I like these ones. I feel like you're in control. With these, I feel like I'm more in control than with the Beauty Blender. I don't know why. I like these. Day 21. Now, are you of the opinion as the closer you get to the 24 that they should get better and better? Or do you think it should start out brilliant? What do you think? Will 24 be a banger? 21 is a brow gel with a little spoolie. This is a mini one. I never really used brow gel before. My brows are okay. But I'll definitely experiment with this. Nice little spoolie, good amount in there. Good for travel, good for holidays, I think. Day 20. I feel the anticipation of getting to day 24. You just got a black eyeliner pencil, your everyday black. Can't go wrong. I'm sure it's going to be absolutely fantastic because it's a black eyeliner. Can you have a bad black eyeliner? I guess it's a bit dry, possibly. It'll be a bit scratchy. 22. This is feeling a little bit heavier. We've not had a mascara yet. That's what I've noticed, no mascara. We've got another lip gloss. This is in the shade Brunch. How funny. And this is like more of like, again, another nudie colour. I think that lip liner would probably look quite nice with this as well. This is again going to be an everyday, could wear it anywhere, suit most people kind of colour. Day 23. This is a lip liner in the shade Divine, which again is like a chocolatey colour. This is really nice. I really like that. Very good for this time of year. I think it's going to be really lovely. And drum roll, please. Day 24. Is this going to be the banger? I hope so. And we've got a mini little eyeshadow pan there, little palette. This is in the shade Mini Reloaded. There's some really nice colours there. These are really nice for the season. I see what they did there. You got like a mulberry, a pink, then you've got the light creamy colour there, and then sort of complementary underneath. They're really nice. I really like that pink. That's really nice. I like pink eyeshadow. I think it suits me. That's really nice. That's really awesome. So that was the Revolution Beauty Advent Calendar. What do you guys think? What do you think of the selection that came in there? Do you think this is really good value? I think it is, actually. I think there's a lot of stuff here. If you were a younger person starting out on your makeup journey, just wanted to top up, get a refresh for the year, I think this is a really nice way to start off. I've got no complaints. There was a couple of fillers, but that's expected. Actually, I expected more, so I think that's really good. I think the colours are really neutral. They would be nice for everybody. Nothing really that's going to be unbelievably terrible. So yeah, I think Revolution did a really good job. I'm really pleased with this one. YouTube friends, let me know what you think below. And thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you again.